The vestige site was built in February 1976. This is a relic consisting of many small relics, forming an overall relic site, distributed on a 3.4 hectares ground that was ever formerly garden. The houses, wells, roads of 18 families which were burned by the American soldiers. They destroyed all their houses, trees and killed people in these families. These are relics that have been restored like as them were. Around here, there are 18 house foundations of 18 families, who used to live in this area. These house foundations were restored at their previous locations. Each foundation represents one family. Every family, many or little, had someone killed in the massacre. So next to each restored foundation, there was a stele placed next to it showing how many people in a family were killed and the name, the age of each victim. Another special thing that is an irrigation ditch, where American soldiers massacred totally 170 people, also located in this area. On the paths leading to the foundations and relics are the footprint of villagers, and the footprint of American soldiers reconstructed from the memory of the survivors. That day, these paths were dirty. The American soldiers searched the shelters and people's houses, and then gathered them to shoot and kill. On the dirty paths that day were imprinted with the footprints of American soldiers, and the footprints of bare feet of the people here.